Have you ever thought if your garbage or wastewater could fill up your car's tank, or heat up your house, or even lighten it? Some people actually thought about this, and it is happening. This magical process is called fermentation. You might think it's a new technique, but no. Centuries ago, some smart humans, they used this technique to invent the hangover. Beer, wine, cheese, and many other stuff are produced by this technique, until we came to this point of turning the waste to the energy by fermentation. By turning the waste to the energy, we are solving two major global challenges, which are environmental degradation and energy crisis. The Earth's fossil fuel reservoirs are depleting, so the energy produced from fermentation can be an alternative. On the other hand, fermentation of the waste can reduce its volume and kill the pathogen. So, come on, what is fermentation? Fermentation is a process where bacteria takes the sugars and turn them into something valuable like gas, acid, or something you might know for it best, alcohol. I call the bacteria the employee of the fermentation, and their job? Eating the food. But if their food is waste, they produce organic acid that can be utilized for the production of the biodiesel, gas, and electricity. But the problem is that the amount of organic acid produced from the waste is not as much to be considered economy. Therefore, I cook the food before feeding to my employee. I applied wide range of temperature, pressure, and time to determine which condition they like the most. I find that, indeed, bacteria like the cooked food, like us humans. They produced higher amount of acids, even 2 times more. Also, the amount of solid particles were reduced by 70%. However, these observations were in laboratory scale. In order to determine the efficiency of the technology, we have to have pilot scale studies. By then, you should be able to fill up your car's tank with your wastewater or garbage. Thank you.